None of the UI you've built so far can respond to a click. In this video you'll wire up real click handlers with Vue, use its shorthand, and use event modifiers to control exactly how an event behaves. Increment genuinely mutates the real count ref every time it's called. At click points directly at the real increment function, clicking genuinely runs it. A short inline expression works too, no separate function needed for something this simple. .prevent calls a real event .prevent default first, so the form genuinely never reloads the page. The .enter key modifier means this handler only runs when the real key pressed was enter. An unwired button is just a static shape on the page. Once real handlers are attached with Vue, clicking, submitting, or pressing a key genuinely runs your code. Vue shorthand attaches a real listener, point it at a method or a short inline expression. .prevent calls prevent default for you, commonly used to stop a form's real page reload. Key modifiers like .enter restrict a handler to firing only for that specific key. Add a form with @submit.prevent and a text input that logs its value with @keyup.enter. Next, keeping a form input and a variable perfectly in sync with vModel.